Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Linux. Today we are going to learn about how to find the MongoDB.conf file in the Ubuntu. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. This is related to that whenever we have a replica set, I want to create the replica set for connecting to the Prisma, right? So currently I don't know where is my MongoDB conf file, right? So I'm going to check what is the location of that one. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the mongo. Okay, this is a shell command. You will come over here. Now we have to add the command, this one, get options. Okay, so it will let you know about the everything over here, like the arguments, past arguments, where the location it is. Okay, and if I want where the exact location is, so I'm going to just copy this one and add it over here. Okay, so etc mongodb conf, so this is the location that the mongodb exists. So I will exit this one and I will add cat etc mongodb conf, and here you can see that the mongodb conf will come over here, right? So this is how you can see that we are successfully able to find out the conf file of the mongodb. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.